let's do the Dagbani language, uh, the Lord's Prayer, learn step by step. It's an instruction game. So this is the Dagbani language homepage, and from here you can select instruction games, skill games, test, and other different categories you want to help yourself to practice or learn. But we're going to go right into instruction games because we're doing the Lord's Prayer, learn step by step. So we go to instruction games, and then from here we scroll down to cultural aspects. And from there we'll pick the Lord's Prayer. Okay, and what you'll see is there's different kinds of instruction games that you could play, that we could play to review or practice Dagbani, the Lord's Prayer, with the, to try to help us. But we're going to go right into the first one, which is learn step by step. And okay, so here we have listed the Lord's Prayer, looks like in Dagbani. Now I just want to say from the beginning, I can already see some of the letters and things. The sound of the letter, I'm sure, is distinctive. But at this point, we're not trying to mimic a native. We want to, unknowing the Lord's Prayer, we want to become familiar with the Lord's Prayer and then internalize it with our own understanding. And when we're around people, or in the Mass, or we're praying with someone, or we're hearing it, the marry between how it's actually sounding and how we should say it will come out of our own personality. Alright, so I'm going to say this here. I don't believe I've heard this more than once or twice, if I did hear, but I'm going to say it. That's not important right now. Right now I just want to try to get some familiarity with what this is in Dagbani. Because when you're out in this last thing, when we're out, depending on why we're learning the Lord's Prayer, if we are in an area where there's people there, you may or may not be able to have ready access to even internet in some ways, and it's good to actually know. Okay, so let's go through. I'm just going to say this again, my accent, I'm just saying it from my own accent. This is how I would be practicing, and you can follow and do the same. So tiba nawuni nyun be alizanda ni cheka yuli du kacheka nam kana kacheka yubi nin dunia nyo nika di ni ninji alizanda ni shimla timchi zunyo tabishili nyo bindirigu kache titali pangti kaman tikba nicheri banji ben tumdi titali shimla dije katikbe sahimbu ni ama yihim tijai ba I think the zai bieu ni, through Christ Jesus our Lord, Damayini insu namini yiko ni jilma hal ni saha din ka bahigo ami. Okay, I'm sure the accent was off, but we're just not focused on that right now. The people appreciate you even making an attempt. So let's go through silent mode practice game and see what happens. Learning. Let's see. All right. So this first step here is just matching one for one what we see, and below we have flashcards that can help us if we need them. I'm going to try to go through like I normally do without the flashcards if I can, and because I like to challenge myself from the beginning, I believe I get more out of it when I do it that way, but everyone's style is different, so you can follow and do the same thing but maybe use the flashcards to help you. Immediately, let's see what we can see here. Let's see, be, ka, yiko, yiko. I'm saying zai, but I don't know if that's a I. I would find that out later. Che, bahigu, dama, yihim, ama. That sounds like, it may not be, but it sounds like it's ama from Arabic, ama, before when I read. So I was looking at that, reading that before. It was in that place. So let's see, kache ka nam kana. Oh, let me finish the words first. That's the easier one. Kache ka nam kana. Here it is. Mini, tumdi, ami, amayihim tizai bieyuni. Ama. I think ama. This is right here. Kechetit. Oh, now we have to do some work. Let's see. So this looks like a long one at bone. I'm not trying to learn everything now. I'm just matching. But let's see. Dishe katikbe zahimbu ni. Cheka yuli do. This sound cheka yuli do. Okay. Diche katikbe zahimbu ni. Okay. Tiba nauni nyun be Alexander ni. Ba ami. Nauni. Nyun be Alexander ni. Amayihim tizai bieu ni. Ama zai. I'm just making that sound up with my own version. That might be completely different later, but that's okay. We can correct that if it's wrong. I can say it the right way. Diche ke katikbe zahimbu ni, or kache ka anam kana. This is hallowed be thy name. I remember that from before. Che ka be thy kingdom come. Again, I have flashcards beneath this, but I'm not, I choose not to use them unless I get really stuck. Kache Ka'anam Kana. This is hallowed be thy name. Oh, maybe it's not hallowed be thy name. Hold on. I said hallowed be thy, starting with Kache. Oh, I'm wrong. Whoops. That's thy kingdom come. Kache Ka'anam Kana. Wow. Nam. Cheka ayulidu. That's what the yulidu. Zuno, ami. I would think nam sound. Ami bindirigo. We're gonna finish up soon. Iko, amen, iko, insu, ami, insu, ami saha, hal, same thing. Amin, saha, oh, saha, hal, kache, titali, pantikaman. And forgive us of our trespasses. Kache titali pantikaman tikba, nisheri, panji, bentumdi titali shimla. Tali, pang, ba, sheri, pangji. Oh, here we go. We got more. I'm gonna finish up after this one, I think. Yeyu, ba, nam. Cheka ayulidu. Cheka ayulidu. Ba. Ba. Oh, hold on. That's ba and ba ama dama tabishiri niyini zahimbu ame dama yiko. Wow, I'm not remembering. Nam was somewhere here. Tabishiri, oh, ba, hold on. Ba. Tabishiri, I go, let's see, ni. Okay, here we go. Come on. Oh man, I'm not finding that quickly, these things. Him, insu, dabishili. Yiko, yihim, cheka yulidu. Tali, dama, zahimbu, ami, nam, ba, yeyu. Hold on. Yeyu. Suno. Nam, dama. Ami, Ameng was somewhere over here. Let's see what this was. Our Father who art in heaven. Tiba nawuni nun be alizandani. Tiche Katikbe Zahimbuni. Dabishili. Okay. So this is Jinchi Suno Dabishili no Bindirigu. Give us a stare daily bread. Zahimbu was over here somewhere. Oh, Suno. Tali. Ama. Ba. Ama. Oh, Ama's over here. Ta'ali. I don't know if that's Ta'ali or Ta'ali. Zahimbu. Yihim. Insu. Zahimbu. Oh, two more. Insu and Yiko. We did it. We have more to go, but I feel like we're getting it. So I'm going to stop there. That was very interesting. We got a few of them incorrect, but that's okay. We're practicing. I think we learned more than I would have ever imagined in that short period of time. I've got words in my mind that I'm curious to know what those other words would sound like. You know, I just want to draw your attention here. There's other, like you can go to Kabuma Ebnemar. There may be some videos there that you can hear someone saying the Lord's Prayer, and or go to another resource where you can hear the sounds. And then there's other games and things that you can take advantage of. That's it for now. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.